In this video, I am going to discuss about measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency refers to a statistical summary of data that attempts to identify the center or typical value within a dataset. It helps to describe the most representative or central value in a set of data points. Central tendency or average is basically two types: mathematical average and positional average. Mathematical average means mean, which is subdivided as arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. And positional average is divided into median and mode. The arithmetic mean is calculated by summing all the data points and then divided by the number of data points. It's the average value and is sensitive to extreme outliers. The median is the middle value in a dataset when it's arranged in ascending or descending order. It's less affected by outliers and provided a better representation of central tendency when the dataset is skewed. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a dataset. It's especially useful for categorical data or data with discrete values. The importance of measure of central tendency lies in their ability to provide a concise summary of a dataset's central location. They help us understand typical values, make comparison and draw insight from data. Here are some reasons why they are important in education, that is, educational implications of measure of central tendency. First is data summarization. Central tendency measures simplifying complex dataset by reducing them to a single representative value, making it easier to grasp and communicate the data's essential characteristics. Data comparison. They allow for the comparison of different dataset or subgroup within a dataset. For example, comparing the average salary of employees in two different departments. Inference. Central tendency measures often serve as the basis for statistical inference. They help in making predictions, drawing conclusions, and making decisions based on data. Decision making. Understanding central tendency assists individuals in making informed decisions based on data, which is crucial in various fields and professions. Problem solving. These measures are essential for solving real-world problems, for business analysis to scientific research. Teaching them helps students develop problem-solving skills. Critical thinking. Central tendency measures encourage critical thinking by prompting students to consider the implications of different measures in different contexts. So in short, measures of central tendency are fundamental statistical concepts that play a vital role in summarizing and interpreting data. Understanding these measures is not only important for statistical literacy but also making informed decisions in various aspects of life and work. Educators should prioritize teaching this concept to help students become proficient in data analysis and interpretation.